Hello friends, in this video that I'm going to discuss about how to identify the price rotations or how to calculate the price rotations, right? So that here that I drawn to three bullish candles. Okay, the condition is if the open is greater than the previous candle open, this is +1. If the high is previous candle high, this is +1. Low is greater than the previous candle low, then there is a +1, and then the close is greater than the previous candle, that is called a +1. If the opposite means if the close is the open is less than open 1, and then that value is -1, vice versa, then high is less than high 1, which is equal to -1, right, like that, right? So here you see that the price which is the greater than the high, current candle high, which is greater than the previous candle high, that means the +1. The close which is greater than the previous candle close, that means +1. You can compare previous candle to the current candle, right? So the current candle low is greater than the previous candle one, that means the +1, and so the close is, of course, open is greater than this open is greater than this open, so that this is the +1, so that the net value of this candle is 4, right? Suppose the next candle formation is like that. If it is the market is goes the higher high formations and then close the low formation, in this case we have to see the open is greater than the previous candle open, that is +1. You have to see the high is, this high is greater than this one, so that means the +1. We have to see the low, that means low is here, and then current candle low is lower than the previous low, that means -1. The close is also lower than the previous candle close, that means -1. The net value of this candle is called as 0. Okay, so this is the positive formations. You have to see the previous candles according to the close, according to the open, according to the high, according to the low, all those things that you have to give the value for that, right? So here if you see that the high is here, the current high which is less than previous candle high, that means -1. The open is also the previous candle open, that's also -1. And then you can see that the low, which is also your previous candle, and the low is lower than the previous candle low, that means -1, as well as the close is lower than the previous candle low, that means -1. So the net worth of this candle, the price actions value, which is called as a -4. Okay, so by this method, that the software which is we need to calculate from 9 to 60 candles, the minimum. The 9 will be the day, and then 60 will be the 1 minute chart. This software which is calculates the price rotations, and then what do you call as we summarize all those things, and then give the potential 0 point. It's calculated the reversal way. Okay, based on the reverse engineering pattern, this software which is calculates to identify where the 0 occurs, means where the 0 is not occurs. Okay, let me go into the chart again, just giving reiterating the point again. This is the value, this is the way that the software calculates the value of the candle and then reverse it. Okay, that means all the positions we can get a 0. When it comes as a buy or sell positions, it means sell point, the software gives the points. Here that I have taken the crude. Okay, yesterday crude, if you see that there is the one here, the source 0 range, this is the important one. Okay, if you see that all the price that value is not changed, it comes to only 0. Okay, suddenly that once the price is reached this point, the software gives 233.5, which is a good point, and 2706 will be the good entry point for sell. Okay, now that we have to be enter the short, and then our stop losses will be the opposite side, and also we have to be check this trading which is happening below the yellow line. This also is true, then we are selling it. Okay, that the software which is also give you the good signal LNT. So this is a good example for buy. see that the very narrowly that software which is calculated, you see that all the places this gives 0. Here you can watch it, and then suddenly the price which comes to this range, then it gives the value. So 902 is the buy, and then 905 will be the somewhere around sell. I am just giving the round number. So here that you can see the highs and lows, and then range also. This 5.38 will be the range between the highs and low. Then you just buy, but only thing is, the concern is this is trading below the yellow line. Either we have to wait this point, and then you can keep the red will be your stop loss, or else you can buy here. But my suggestions will be, you have to be wait until this place, and then you can enter the go buy. So one more example that I want to give, that as Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv. Okay, Bajaj Finserv, you see that the price which is all the way that it gives the sell signal. Okay, sorry, not sell signal, 0. That all the way that you can see the value of here, it is only 0. Only the price which comes to this point, and then it gives the buy signal 5023, and then 4971, which is called a sell signal. The price is broken upside the box, and then also the yellow line, then we are going to buy. Okay, the stop losses will be just below to that. It will be 35 to 36 points, and then you can see that it's almost 250 points movements from the software. Okay, this is the way that software works. See, if you want to see that this is the called a scanner. So in this scanners, it scans almost 50 nifty 50 stocks as well as crude. Okay, and then here this gives the current market price and daily low, daily high, and then the price to previous day open. It's all those things stuff which has been calculated and valued here. And then the very important thing is you have to see this last signal. Here it's called as here. We call it as here sniper box. The sniper this will give you as alert. If somebody, suppose the LNT and Bajaj Finserv, once the formation has comes, you don't need to take all the 50 screens in your laptop, and then you don't need to watch. You have to watch only this scanner. Once the price setups forms, then it will be pop up and also give the sound alert. This the formation has come, and this is the time frame, like that. Okay, once the formation comes, then you have to go back to your the software and then pull the chart like this. Okay, and then you have to identify your target price and stop losses, so that the scanners will be scanned for all the 50 scripts. Even it is the capacity of more than 100, but and by intraday trading purpose, all those things which will be only the intraday, so you don't need to worry about if we have to be carry forward the positions. No need. It's all those things are day trading software. It's 100% day trading software. Very simple, that you have to run the scanners before the market open, and then wait for the alert. Once the alert comes, you have to pull the chart and apply the template. Then you have to see that the target price and stop losses and the formation of the chart, and then based on that you have to be place your trading. Okay, thank you very much for watching for this. Okay.